Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about why most of us give up in life because of fear of failure. Fear in your life exists for a reason. They are rooted by the bad experiences of your past, or it is there because you are afraid of failure. We all learn to walk as a baby by falling and getting back up. The same way we learn to speak by saying the words that are totally illogical. So why do you think we are not afraid of learning to walk by falling and getting back up as a baby, but we are constantly tormented by fear when we grow up? The answer is simple. We made an assumption in our mind that failure means the end. For example, if you hold on to the edges of the pool, you are never going to learn swimming. If you are afraid of sinking, you should learn to swim, but you should not give up because you are afraid of water. When you are doing things for the first time, failure is always of higher possibility. But if you have the courage to get back up and keep moving, you are going to make it. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Nothing in life is painful as the regret that you are going to feel at the end of your life. Life may be tough on you now, but what you need to become is tougher. If you are young, you have time and you can take risks very easily. But when you get older, you may have responsibilities which may not allow you to take much risk. Don't compare yourself with others. Some people are born with all the goodness of life, but some of us aren't. If you think you are not valuable compared to someone, then you are actually wrong. Everyone has a gift. Most of us don't see it, that's all. Here's a quote by Thomas Alva Edison. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time. It's actually a nice quote, right? Every time you fail at something, find out why you failed, then fix it and try again until you get it done. Failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of success. Your failures are your stepping stones to success. If you are not failing often, then you are not improving. Each mistake teaches you something new about yourself. There is no failure, remember that, except when you stop trying completely. It is a courage to continue that counts. The bigger the failure, greater the lesson. Be relentless in your goals and your visions. You are one of the most intelligent species to live on earth, but most of us just live like a bacteria. Nobody learned to walk without taking the baby steps, falling down and getting back up. Same way, you are not going to get good at something if you are not ready to try new things. There's a proverb that goes like, a plant that grew up in a desert can survive any heat. So all your suffering has a meaning. It is making you stronger, better and impossible to be destroyed. Most of the warriors and champions in history have faced soul-crushing defeats, but still they managed to show the world that nothing can stop them from achieving whatever they dreamed of achieving. Learn from your failures and learn from your fears, because if you do both, nothing can stop you from rising. Never be afraid of facing the new frontier and learn something new. Never be afraid of doing something that you want to do, even if you know failure is of higher possibility. A river cuts through a rock not because it is strong, but because of its persistent flow. Same way, you can break your failure with your persistence not to give up. You need to have perseverance because it can help you unlock your true potential. Your limits are there to be pushed or climbed over. More importantly, you need to have passion in what you do. If you don't like what you're doing, you are eventually going to give up. There is no better teacher than adversity. Every defeat, every heartbreak, every loss contains its own lesson on how to improve your performance next time. You learn more from your failures than from your success. Adversity is a better educator than the best teacher. Fear is a natural element of life, and you need to understand that. It exists to teach you a lesson to get successful. But most people don't understand fear and give up to it. Focus on learning more, improve yourself, and that is how you are going to get better in your life. I hope you learned something valuable from my video. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the very best in your life.